As of 4 p.m. wala na kaming kuryente. My laptop is also where I'm charging my phone. Keeping ourselves busy. Ako may na-miss pa lang mga items that I need to work on, and since fully charged naman yung laptop ko, I can still work ng kaunti habang sobrang lakas ng hangin at ulan. Hindi naman nabaha dito sa area namin, but so the power station, na-meet nyo na yan before nung binagyo din kami, and nakakonect dyan yung internet namin. So stable yung internet. And then once I'm done with whatever I'm doing here, may naka-ready na rin ako dito na 3 books to read. So this is one. And then I have 2 more here just in case. Unahin nyo guys ang safety ninyo. Reserve as much power as you can. Kami naman may kuryente pa daw sa bahay ng mother-in-law ko at saka sa bestie ko sa bayan.